Y'all, this is Joe here. I got me a John Deere push mower, a 14 SE push mower. Got a Kawasaki 4.5 horsepower OHV on it. Little older mower, kind of older than me even. I picked it up for free. Didn't know exactly what was wrong with it. It was out by the road. Turns out for one, it needed just a fuel line put on. And also, I got a new spark plug for it too, tucked behind the OHV there. Did a little cleaning up on it, and shout out to Josephus Wanderings. I got it running. So yeah, hopefully it'll start up for me. See how I'll do. Might throw a little spray in there. And we'll be back to see if it runs. Alright. Put some of this junk in. See if it'll get to run now. Had to rig up the back flap on it. Just spins the grass, nose it up, gets plugged, gets gunked. So now, do a little mowing for you. Interesting how this works. It's got a button here. Slow it down. Locks it in, good to go. Probably need to get something better to rig up. Keep stalling out. So yeah, that's it. Got it running.